Hey guys, it's Adam from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our 2018 F150 here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out that old dim OEM LED board for our super bright CREE LED center dome board. This kit's going to work for your 2015 to 2020 F150 if you have the center configuration for the LED board in the back. We're going to go ahead and jump into the install right now. Okay, we went ahead and jumped in the back of the truck and grabbed our pry tool from F150LEDs.com, and we're gonna start by prying at this housing from this side. Now we've taken this off a few times, so ours is gonna come out a little bit easier, but it does take a little bit of force to get it on here. You can hear that kind of click, and then you can pull straight down, and that'll expose this connector right here. Now what you're gonna do to release this connector is push up on this red tab, like so. And then grab onto the back of the connector and pull away from it, and that'll disconnect it. And now we're ready to go switch out our boards. All right, so we moved over to the tabletop to make it a little bit easier to see for the video. As you can see the back of this housing, there's a board here. There's a few clips that are kind of holding it into place right here. So to kind of release the board from those clips, we're gonna push away on this plastic piece right here, being sure not to press too hard as you don't want to break it, but just enough to get it past that clip right there. I'm gonna do the same thing right here, like so. And then the two more in the front, once again, just pull away from that plastic piece. You can hear it clip out. Again, for the final piece. Now that we have them all past those plastic clips, you can just simply pull this away, like so. Now we need to remove these silicone buttons here so that we can take them and install them on our new board. As you can see on the back of this board, there's 4 prongs, just rubber silicone prongs that are holding them into place. So just apply a little bit of pressure on these prongs and peel up at the same time. You want to be very careful as they are small prongs, so they can break if you're too aggressive with it. So just be very careful as you pull that away. As you can see, they popped right out on the top. We're going to do the other 2 right here, like so. And then we'll move to our other button, remove that one, and then we're ready to put these buttons back onto our boards. Okay, now we have our new board from F150LEDs.com. We're going to take the silicone button with the square part facing out and the button actually facing towards the inside of the board. And as you can see, it might be hard to see on camera because the holes are so small, but there's 4 holes here that we're going to line up the silicone prongs here from the button and slide them into these holes. Now this part of the install can be very tedious, so just be patient as you do this part of the install. We recommend just kind of trying to push in 1 prong at a time until you can see it start to come out of the back. And once you see it start to come out of the back, you can use your fingers to try to grab it and pull it through, or you could even grab a pair of tweezers if you have those laying around to pinch that part of it and pull it through. Now that we moved our silicone buttons over to our new board, we're going to take these prongs here and line them up with the openings in this gray connector here. There you go. Once they're lined up and they're in, just as we moved past these clips earlier, one at a time, you kind of want to turn the board to the inside, push back, get it under the clips, like so, to kind of lock it in place. You can kind of hear it click into place, like so. Now that we have our board installed back into the housing, we're good to go put it back in the truck. We're simply going to reconnect this connector here, press down on the red tab to lock it into place, Slide our excess wire in there, push our tab in, and then it'll click right back into place. So that's all there is to installing our CREE LED board from F150LEDs.com on your 2015 to 2020 truck with the center configuration as you can see here. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing custom LED technology for your Ford truck at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Facebook to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest news from F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.